Hey, what's up? This is a Husqvarna YTH24V54, and this particular one has 5.2 hours on it. Not very old. It was driving up the hill, mowing for the first time, and it threw the belt. I contacted Husqvarna for warranty service, and they sent me a PDF and a location near me. It's about 20 miles away. Don't have a trailer to take it, so I'm going to attempt this. First, park it on a level surface, then lower it to its lowest position. That would be number one. I've got it there. Then I got a disengage belt tension rod K from lock bracket L, and if you see, that's this right here, and it's got all kinds of cautions and warnings, so I would imagine this is going to have some tension, so I'm going to go ahead and do it. Okay, it wasn't as bad as I thought. Maybe that's what made it came off, but you just basically pull that off of there. But be careful, because that thing could whack you around the shin. Alright, so okay, remove bolts P and Q. Those are on either side. I just put the thing in a little drill, took it off. So that brings us to our next step. We just removed P and Q. We got to remove any dirt and clippings. Then remove the belt from the clutch pulley M, both mandrels, pulley R and V. So this is M, this is R, and this is V. So we're supposed to remove the belt. I guess we're actually going to skip that, and we're going to install the belt because we don't have to replace it. It's just slipped off. So we're going to put it around R and V, and I'll put a picture of what it should look like. There's also a diagram on there. All right, so let's try. We're going to remove this top part. And it says remove the grass clippings. Alright, check it out. This really wasn't this hard. It just goes like that. So I took this up here. This is where it had slipped off of. I just slid it around there. Then I just want to double check it's around here. So we are going to put this back on. There it is, everything's back. All right, moment of truth. Let's see if this works. Oh yeah, that was actually a much easier fix than what I thought it would be. I thought it would be a real pain in the ass, but I tried to make that as easy and simple as possible. Hope it helps. See you later, going to finish this little square.